everyone, welcome back to my channel. It has been a while, I know. I think the last thing I filmed was my Little Mix video back in October, November last year. But today is a very exciting day. As you can see, I'm all dressed up, ready to go. Me and my friend are off to the Harry Potter Studios, all the sets and that. So that's very exciting. So I thought I would take you guys along with me. I'm just packing my bag. So yeah, let's go.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you.
Go for it, film whatever you like. It's always fun when you've got someone with you, because then they can film me talking to the camera.
So where are we?
We're at Harry Potter's world, well, not Harry Potter world.
Warner Brothers Studios.
At Watford. Just arrived.
Whole day of vlogging.
And I can get your best question most of you do.
Yeah!
So I can put that in it as well if you want. So, just arrived, and you can do this. So you can see us.
That is so cool.
So it's pretty cool. We've just arrived. So do we have to go there for
Ticket collection.
ticket collections? Let's go get our tickets.
Your soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and
Standing just opposite me, we have the robes of Draco Malfoy that he wore in the Order of the Phoenix, complete with the Inquisitorial Squad badge awarded to him by Professor Umbridge. And finally, we got
wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now.
It's good, isn't it? So cool. Wow.
I don't know.
Detail here is amazing. And the swinging clock.
We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we
Now currently on our way into the Forbidden Forest. Are you excited? Look at all the smoke. shop for a browse. Oh, do you like a good pin?
That's a really nice pin. If I was going to get one, it would be that one.
Yeah. You can get the ticket out there.
That's very cool.
Just got on the Hogwarts Express.
Yes, girl.
My ticket.
No, no.
Prisoner of Azkaban. Is this the Dementor one?
Yeah.
Oh, how cool.
What? Stuck on the glass.
Oh, the handprint on the window.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's so cool.
And the chocolate bar on the seat.
Yeah.
Chocolate fire.
That's amazing.
The double-ended snakes.
Oh, this is so cool.
Love print.
Half-Blood Prince.
So was that her name in the sweet shop that she used to come and walk with?
Possibly, yeah. Oh, well, with the cart.
Yeah.
Look,
Is that what
there's-
all the sweet shops that's out there?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh look,
Deathly Hallows Part 2.
We could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start.
Oh, wow. See the chandelier shaking? Oh, that's wow. walking through Diagon Alley, as you do. So I guess people have drawn these. Oh, look at that. That's top. That's the stadium.
Yeah. Quidditch Stadium.
Yes.
That's inside the dark.
That's the Ministry of Magic, isn't it?
Isn't it the Ministry of Defence?
Oh, it could be.
I think it is. Because of that, and then.
Oh, it could be. And that's obviously the courtyard after the... Oh, you haven't seen the last two, have you? So that you won't understand that.
Look at her when she goes
Oh, the Whomping Willow one's cool. Oh, you'll like this next bit.
building, the
Castle. Oh, I like that one.
It almost feels like it's real though.
It does. Yeah.
Nice. I can imagine that.
Wow.
Is that castle, Nevin? Is that Hogwarts?
It's quite amazing.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
Let me feel your love again. 'Cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place. Just the two of us and we can stay up all night. Kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do. Staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be
have made some purchases. And you made some purchases. And now we're on our way home.